Okay, introduce yourself.
Sir, myself Kiran Ravindra Malve. I am pursuing MCA from Medication University, uh, and my BSc CS is completed from Seva Southern College. And my 10th and 12th percentage is about 75 to 80%.
Okay,
And I am very hard worker, and my strength is I am self motivated. And okay, sir.
okay. Uh, what is React JS? You can define it.
Sir, so React.js is the MVC architecture part of React.js is a part of MVC architecture. In MVC, there are model view controller. React.js is the part of Vue. Means we are building a user interface with the help of React. React.js is a JavaScript library which is used to build a user interface.
Okay, means you can only create user interface using React JS.
Yes.
So, what is the difference between HTML UI and React UI?
Sir, HTML UI and React UI is differences that we reload the HTML UI on the browser, clicking the browser reloading. And React HTML in React HTML is not there, but JSX, which is the form of HTML plus JSX, and that re-render directly with when we start our React JS server.
Okay. What is component in React JS?
Component in React.js. So in React.js, all things are components. Without component, React.js is not be in edges. There are all things are components which have some reusable codes.
Okay, what is the syntax for function component?
So the functions component is normal like ES6 functions like arrow function or normally ES5 functions or like normal function which is have a JavaScript functions.
Okay, suppose that I am writing JavaScript function hello, alert hello world. That is the component in React.
What, sir?
I will simply write function hello. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and under function I will write alert hello world. Okay,
Hello, what?
that
Yes,
is
sir.
that is the React component.
Uh, yes, sir. That is first of all we have a function keyword. After that, function name and curly braces, and inside that we have return keyword, which you show on our user interface.
Okay,
So inside their HTML JSX that print the hello one.
okay. And what is the syntax of class component?
So class component is also the part of ES6 classes. It is one class keyword first of all.
Okay, syntax means class name. After that extends.
Super class extend the super class
Okay,
super component. Sorry, sir. Super component.
what is the super component? Means what is the syntax of super component?
Super component.
Yes.
I'm not understandable, sir. What is super component, sir?
React dot components. Do you know?
Yes, sir. That is a super component. That is when we make a class or normal class like class and class name. Then we extend the React dot component, which have all properties of super class.
Okay. Means it has complete properties of superclasses.
Yes, sir.
If you are writing extends React dot component. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose that you are creating one constructor, then what task you will implement on constructor on React component?
So inside the constructor, we are making the state, and there is a super keyword also there, which is extend the properties of React dot component, which is super component, and there is we are declaring the state.
Okay. What is a React router?
React router.
Yeah.
Sir, when we want to move from one page to another page
Okay.
without the without the reloading on the browser. then we use the router in React.js.
Okay, 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 okay. What is the push method in React?
So push method is a JavaScript method which
Okay,
push an element in an array at the
okay,
last index.
okay. Do you know about history in React?
So what's it?
History, browser
Yes, sir.
history, browser history.
Sir, browser history, sir. It is the given the browser data, browser history data. Sir, actually that we are taking URL or something there. It's not have more knowledge about
Okay,
that.
okay, okay, okay. Suppose that you want to call REST API in React.js, then how to call it?
Sir, first of all, we have multiple libraries also there to call a one API, and as well as we have different methods also like fetch method, and second is library which is XJS library.
Okay,
We have first of all XJS library. We are with the help of XJS library. First of all, we have installed that library inside our file,
okay.
and then we call that with the help of promises that and getting the result.
Which is better? Access library, access or page? Access or page? Which is better?
What, sir?
Which is better approach to call REST API, access or fetch?
Sir, XJS is a better approach because it is a security purpose, sir,
Okay,
and
and
it is fast also.
okay, you have asynchronous API request and you want to handle it, then how to handle it?
Yes, sir, no idea.
Okay, 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 okay. Do you know about React list?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this?
Sir, in React.js, we are implementing list in the with the help of map method. Means if we have an
Okay,
array, then we want to print that array in the list form. Then we getting the help of map method, and we printing that array element one by one with the list with the help of li.
okay. What are the life cycle methods of React?
So the life cycle methods are in React.js is exists in only class component,
Okay,
and inside class component there are different type of process means
okay,
parts. First of all, when component is run, then it go toward the first of all mounting phase. Second is unmounting phase. Second is updating phase. Third is unmounting phase. Fourth is the last one, which is not exit, but sometimes it is very needable. That is error phase. So first of all, mounting phase is that there are some predefined methods are exist, but there is one important method that is render constructor and component it mount and uh, get derived state from props. That is the first methods which is exists in the mounting phase.
okay, okay, okay.
Or
And for unmounting,
sir, unbounding also that when we uh, destroy our any when we want to destroy our methods not so it is an example like a human beings when we make a born another uh, born another woman and update the woman, and the last one is when woman is died, that is an unmounting phase in life cycle also.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, suppose that we want to provide one acknowledgement message after disconnection of internet to your app, then where you will write the code?
So after the disconnected, there is in class component we will use compound git mount.
Okay.
Because
Component did mount. You will write on
yes
component
sir,
did mount.
yes sir.
Means connection internet disconnect. Component did mount will executed again and again, or it will executed only one time.
Sir, component did not exit one time because it is rendering after the rendering all methods.
Okay. What is context in React?
Context API, sir, in context API, we transfer the data, our nodes element, which from parent element to child element
Okay.
directly with not use props there to pass props from step by step component. We
Okay.
directly pass the component from parent component to child component with the help of context.
Okay. What is meaning of React.lazy? React.lazy function.
Set React.lazy function we use when we have a lot of files and we will feel that our application is getting some loading time on the at a running time. So we will use the lazy method to get some message on the desktop at the time of loading.
Okay. How to write loop inside JSX?
What, sir?
How to write loop inside
Sir,
JSX?
sir, in JSX, if you want to something like functional, like JavaScript code, then we are using inside the curly braces in JSX,
Okay.
and then we are writing that for loop also.
Okay, means JavaScript for loop you can use.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between controlled components and uncontrolled components?
Control component. Control component is handled all by React, and uncontrolled component is like a normal HTML for component
Okay, means
in which
normal HTML form.
component.
Normal HTML form.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Means a control component there we have a on change method inside the input tag, but inside the HTML there is not on change method and other methods.
Okay. What is Redux library?
So Redux library is a state management library which is we use to manage the state uh, on our application.
Okay. How many components it contain?
So there are three components. First of all, action.
Okay.
Second is reducer. Third is store.
Okay. Okay. What is the life cycle of it?
Sir, life cycle of its life cycle book, sir.
Life cycle means how to process it, means how to work it. Redux means
Sir,
steps.
okay, sir. Whenever user get some action on the user screen, then that means like when user click on the button, then that button toward the move toward the reducer, and reducer get that action perform that which is given from the action that getting some functionality is over there in reducer, and that move toward the store, and after that store is give the reply response toward the UI.
Okay. 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 That's fine. Okay. You should improve some little bit topics also. Otherwise, remaining part is okay. Okay. Thanks for participating into this.
Okay.